Hello guys, how are you? Long time I didn't upload the video. I'm quite busy with some family matters, so really sorry for that. Okay, anyway, today I would like to share on my previous or this video, right? I'm sharing how to use the command inside the Kali system. Okay, now I want to share how you can write the script to create your own, password generation, on how to attack, how to scan the network, everything, right? So today I will start sharing the how you can create your own password file. You don't need to go inside the internet to find the password generator to create the password, to copy and paste, to save your password, but you don't know after that what password you have using. And then it's also not saving to use their password, right? So they can just know that okay, this password has been used by the user, so that they can go inside the internet to some brute-forcing to find the password. So in that case, you can create your own script to create your own password. Okay, so I would like to share how you can write the simple Python script to create your own password. Okay, let's start. So in Python, right, so most of the thing you don't need to write, so you need to just simply import the module already for you to use. So you just import the same module, so you don't need to write your own function, just use their module. Okay, so in that password generation module, right, password generating script, right, we're using the three modules. The first one is if you use the module, right, you need to use the import keywords. So in import keyword, I'm using, this is a random, so which means I want to use this random function to how to say that, choose the password, choose the alphanumeric character, alphanumeric character. So that I want to use this module. So this module will be randomly choose the any number or character or any things you want to choose, so they randomly choose for you. You don't need to be write the random function. Okay, so this is string. So this string, the import function used for I want to import the SC2 character. So you don't need to create the SC2 character. What is SC2 character? SC2 character is A to Z, so you don't need to create. You use this string module to string module is a lot of other functions. There is a SC2 function as well, so that you can use this function to import it. This one is after everything finished, I want my script to save inside the operating system. So I want to use the OS module to, and then part is I want to go inside the C colon or any directory part to save the file. So after we create the password, right, then you don't need to be copy paste, it's automatically saved inside your computer. Okay, so just start writing the script. You need to import the module already. In Python, you want to create the function, right? You need to use the def keywords. So after that, you need to give the function name. So I want to give the function name password generator. Password generate. So in that function is the you need to use the function opening bracket and close bracket. So inside the bracket, you want to see how many the password line you want to use. So in that case, I want to use the password length, the 8 character only. Okay, so password length equal to 8 character. So you need to pass this password length, so that the function will be used this password length as how many character you need to choose. So only 8 number, they will choose 8 times, they will choose from the random string. Okay, so that just give them the how many. So we want to use only 8 character length. So this is some simple script, that's why I want to use the only 8 character. This is the part 1. After the part 2 and part 3, right, I will add some extra sentence. For example, I will add the uppercase, special character, digit, and the special character, everything combined, at least 60 character to a big complicated password. Okay, so a big complex password. So that now I want to use only 8 character, only SC2 A to Z. Is very simple one. Okay, so in that case, after we create the function, right, you need to put the colon. So enter. So it will be auto tap the one block, so the one tap. So before you write the Python script right inside your, now I'm using the Windows operating system, so you need to use the download and install the Visual Studio Code, Microsoft Visual Studio Code. This is the open source one, you can download freely, install on any operating system. Okay, so after that you can choose the, for example, I will create a new file, right? Then you need to use the Python file. So when you write the Python file, right, it will automatically, for example, I am import, right? So enter. So you don't need to be type the sentence, just automatically it will detect, because of this editor is using both the Python program, a Python sentence, so that your editor will automatically know that. So when you create the file, you need to choose the correct programming language name. So that I choose the Python, right? So to detect most of the things, so you don't need to type we don't need to type all this sentence. Okay, I will remove it. Okay, now we created already the length, right? Then you need to type, what you need to type is password. So I created the password variable. Inside the password variable, I want to add what you want to add. Just only we inputted the string, right? So inside the string there's so you here, right, you can see how many function inside the string, right? You can use SC to lowercase, SC to uppercase, SC to character, digit, hazard, decimal, so many things inside. But in this script I only use the SC to lower, or lower function only, ASC. So SC to lower, you don't need to type, just type enter lowercase. So it's lowercase already. Then so in this password variable, right, it saves the SC to A to Z character inside the password, but we want only the A character, right? So in that case we need to return, when you run the script, right, you need to return something. If you not return, you cannot do anything, so the script will be stay safe inside the computer memory. So you need to return the password A character, right? In that case you need to use join function. So you already added this A character, the SC to all the A to Z character inside the password, but we only need the A character. So in that case we need to randomly choose from there. We use the choose function. So choose function, where inside the random there is a choose function, but you need to go and documentation inside the Python website. Okay, so you need to use the choose function. Inside the choose function, what you need to choose from, where, from the password. Now password is holding A to Z all this character, but we only need to randomly choose the 8 number, right? So now it's choosing the number from the password, from the choose function, choosing from the password SC2 number, but we have to tell them how many times. So in that case I need to use the for loop. Okay, for loop in range, how many times? 8 times. So we need to type the password length. So this password line is saving the 8, right? So you don't need to type 8 here, just use back the password line. Now password line is saving, pointing the number 8, so that this one is the 8. So for loop you will go through how many times? 8 times to choose the choose the SC2 number 8 times. Okay, so and then I need another bracket, random password, this one. Okay, so the IDs automatically know something is wrong, right? They will show that the sentence is not correct or something variable is not using previously, so it will detect most of the error when you are typing the sentence. So we already done everything, written 8 times already. So what we need to do, we need to check whether the password generator is correct or not. So we need to print out our password. Okay, passive, I will give another passive variable. Inside the passive variable I call this function. Okay, I call this function to run just to generate the password. So we call this password generate. then I will add 8. Okay, this 8. PSS is something wrong. Okay, I forgot the A. So PSS, P is the small. So you need to type exactly the function name. If you're not typing the correct name, right, it will show there's something wrong. So you need to type small, correct. PA. PASSWORD GENERATE. What is wrong? Something is totally wrong. Wait. Okay, password 8 character. Then we need to print out. Print passive. So print passive will be printing the 8 number. Sorry, 8 character. So just run this. How to run the script? In here, terminal. You need to choose the new terminal. Okay, so it's showing that the new terminal. So where did you save this script? So you need to go inside the script to run the password, this one. So I will keep writing. So in that file, right, I will save here NW. Okay, save. Test PSS. Okay, so now this is a Python file, right? It will automatically detect, put the P1 extension when you save the file name. So save. So you will run here Python test, right? It will automatically. Oh, I'm not saving here. I'm saving inside this cd Python. Then what? Okay, not Python class. No. So I save here, right? So Python test gen. So test pass. So it's the 8 character password. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it's an 8 character password I have created already. Okay, so the 8 character password. Then after create, what we need to do, we still need to use this function import.path. So import.path, what should we do? After you create this password, right, you need to save inside the operating system. Okay, so you need to use this path to save inside the file. I don't want to hear terminal to see the thing. I just only want to save inside the file. Okay, in that case you need to create the path where you want to save. So you need to save any directory. Okay, so any directory, C:\, /user or something. You need to write something. Okay, so in here you want to save inside the which directory, but one thing you need to know that in Windows, right, we are using the C:\, right? This is a /. This is /. Okay, this is /. But when you're using the Python, right, and when you write the Python script inside the window, right, you cannot use the /. Become the escape character. They will not count the character. So the escape character, which means they will use this for Python script. So they will not use to check inside this directory path. So if you are saving instead of working on the window, right, you need to use the /. So this is a different. Okay, in Windows is using the / to go in the directory, but if you type the Python script, right, you need to choose the correct part, right? You need to use the /. Okay, so this is error. So you need to use the /. Okay, this is the different when you writing the Python script. Okay, after that you need to give the name. What name do you want to give? I don't want to give the static name. I want to type the name from the keyboard. When you are running the script, I want to save this part to save the file. So import is the one of the Python function to import the file name from keyboard. So this is behave. Now is this file name is saving this name. So after you type in the file name, right, then the name function will be save the file name inside. Now we already created where you want to save, and then what is the file name. So now I need to combine the path and name. Okay, so I will create the file name where to save equal to os.path where you say dot join function. Why you want to join it? Because you want to join this directory path to inside the operating system. This operating system need to join this one. Okay, so need to operate in this one. Where is this path? So we need to give that which path you want to save the file, and then what is the name of the file name. So it's then in here you type already any file name, right? They will show that the file name. So what extension you want to use, you need to mention it. There is a multiple file extension. So I want to save this file inside there. Test file extension, txt extension, so that you will know that the file is safe inside the test file directory. Okay, so we already create the password, we already show the path where to save everything we did already. So now is you just only telling them I want to save this directory path inside the operating system. You need to write inside the file. You cannot go and type the password, right? You have to tell the Python program to write the password inside the file. So you need to tell the file how to write it. So in that case you need to type with keywords with open the file. You tell the Python script you need to open this file. Which file? This file. Inside this file, inside this OS directory path with the test file, you need to open it. So you give the instruction to the Python script. So file name, then what you want to use, write. So in keyword is just W only. Just only you need to write the file as the file1. We give the another file name. So now the file is using open the file as the file1. Okay, then what you need to use, need to write file1 dot write. What you need to write, you need to write there this password inside the file. Okay, so this password, okay, this password you need to save inside the file. Okay, so now you run the script, you will got the script. So I already write the script. I will show you. This is the script, same things. Just now I typed this one is same. So I was explaining again. Before you type the script, you need to import the three modules: random, string, and OS. But random is to choosing the random character from the XC2, this XC2 letter, lowercase. Okay, so this string is storing the SC2. So that we want to use the SC2, right? You need to import the string module. So the last one is OS part. So this OS part will go and connect with your computer, or your computer is Linux operating system, Windows operating. This is any operating system. Okay, so you need to use the OS part to which operating system. You need to show the part which directory part you want to save it. Okay, then you need to give, when you are run the script, you want to type your file name. You don't want to use the default, you want to use any file name. So import is the one of the Python keywords to save the file name, and then this file name will be saved there inside. After the file name, right, just then file name inside the variable, you need to use where you want to open. This is the OS part dot join. This is the part, this is the name, and file extension is test. So once everything is done, you need to write the file, open the file. Oh, whatever. Oh, sorry. So you need to open the file. Once you need to open the file and write the file password inside the file. That's all. So everything after finish, that file will be auto run and save inside the directory. So this is the file save directory. Now everything is finished. I will save it. I will clear the screen. Okay, so inside the file, right? So this is the password gen I type. So you need to type Python password. So type gen. So this is the Python file, right? So when you type enter, so now they already create the password. Now I want to type the file name to save this password. So I will type, okay, this is my password. Okay, you don't need to type the .txt extension. The program will be auto know this is the txt file, so you don't need to type txt file. Enter. So finish already. Python, the script is successfully ran, and I already see. So I will check whether the file is inside or not. So just now the file name is what? This is my password, right? So this is the file. Okay, just now we save it. Okay, just now we save it 136, correct, right? So this is the file. So this is quite easy, right? So you can go inside this directory inside your computer. Not you can save any your computer system, but you go and open this file, right? You will see that the password is saving inside the file. Okay, so let's go and see. I think edit, right? Inside the command you can go to UI to see it, but I think the window is using the command to check the not recognize. Okay, oh, this is the PowerShell. So I will go the cmd cd-round and then python d cd python project. Then inside this file, right, we already, this is the file. So inside the we already see this is my password. So I will do edit. This is, oh, I think, what is the, how to open the file? Let me check. I check from the internet. Sorry, I'm checking how to use which use the test file, modified it. Oh, sorry, type command can check the test file. This, oh, okay, so now I can see, right? Okay, I will close it. Sorry, I forgot. Here I can type also as well. This, so you know, this is the file, the password you save inside this directory. Okay, so in this time I don't want to print here. Now I will run another time, okay, Python, what is the finding password gen. So now is I will save the same file name. So this will be override this file. This is my password.txt. txt you don't need to type. Okay, so I finished already. Now just try again whether it's same or not. Type this, correct, right? So we created this password and then save inside the file. Okay, I think very simple script. You don't need to know how the Python is working, all this function, just using simple script to write it. Okay, so this is a very simple, only password length is 8. Then you can use the lowercase, okay, used to create the password. So this is just my beginner guide to, you know, how to write the Python script. So I will upload the same part 2, part 3, how to create the complexity of the password, at least 60 character, including uppercase, special character, and then number, to how we can generate the password to save inside the encrypted file. Okay, so I will create the some part 2 and part 3 video clip after later. So you need to watch this video clip to learn how you can write the Python script inside your operating system. quite easy. If you have any question, just write the comment to ask me. I will reply it as soon as possible. Okay, thank you so much guys. Thank you. Bye bye.